Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Pasan Waidyatillake from Sri Lanka. I am a graduate in Mechatronics from Wellassa University. Nowadays, I am teaching as a government teacher. Today, I am going to discuss about online education, which is a demanding topic among students, teachers, and parents. First of all, if you are new to my channel, there's a pretty red subscribe button along with the bell icon. Just hit it. Then don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. Okay, we are back on topic. Here I am going to walk you through four major categories. They are teachers, students, parents, tools and equipment. Under these categories, I will be going in details on pros and cons as well as some useful tips. So let's get started. Teachers. The major problem for teachers is that there were no or less feedback from the students. It might be discouraging. I'd suggest that you should become more energetic in your lessons. There are so much choices in equipments as laptops, tablets, cameras, smartphones, microphones and even some combinations. It is totally up to you. You might want to use old school whiteboards, yet it is better to avoid glares from lamps, which is not pleasant to look at. Use videos, presentations and postures, which might become handier. You can use recordings and PDF documents, so student won't miss any lessons. As a teacher, you need to be in charge of the class, so you must supervise chats, screen sharing and student groups more often. Use a good network connection which helps you to stay connected as long as you need. For educational purposes, use a clean light color background, so students will stay focused on you. Remember to avoid distractions as background noises, televisions, radios and chats. There are so many online tools such as quizzes, forms, tests and evaluations. Use them to uphold your class. As a teacher, always get informed about modern education systems. In teaching, it is vital to be on time for lessons. If you are going to change or cancel a lesson, inform the group earlier so they will be comfortable with it. Be attractive and brave among the group. At the same time, dress accordingly and manage your time efficiently. Students, it is very important to notice that teacher is a friend, not an enemy. Your teacher is willing to help you in studies, so you must cooperate with him. When you are entering to a live class, use a proper dress code. It might save you from embarrassment and others will stay focused to the lesson. In the classroom, you must avoid eating, sleeping, chatting, social networking or any other distractions. Crosstalks apart from lessons are really annoying for others. So chat if there is anything to be asked. You can raise hand, it might draw your teacher's attention. Always be polite in chat spaces. If you are not interested in the topic, you can always leave, which might save time and your resources. Parents. Online learning is somewhat new to most students and teachers, so your cooperation is much more important. Be generous to control chats, televisions and other distractions inside the house. Maintain silence if possible. Offer some privacy to students, yet supervise them with a keen eye. Get informed about equipment, tools and packages so kids won't be able to fool you. Tools, equipment. Minimum requirements for online classes are a smartphone, an internet package and software. It is better to have a good computer, a laptop or tablet. but they are up to you. You don't need to have the most expensive equipment. Just choose wisely. If you are unable to select, ask the teacher for help. Which is better? Some classes use invitation links. Others might send user IDs and passwords. Never mind, they are the same. For better performance in your device, always close unnecessary apps from running. If possible, restart the device just before you join the class. So I am going to wrap up this video. Just let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you for your time.